trees today, side by side. What are you thinking, Logie?
Huh?
What are you thinking?
I'm thinking it's not balanced. Sometimes you have to walk with it.
What are you doing?
Get shoulder strong, boy. Make a big home run messing with that stuff.
What are you doing?
Cleaning up. Don't be showing this to nobody. It's called a nukes.
The Three Musketeers. This is Duda.